In this video, I will show you how to fix the Roblox error not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get started with this, what you're going to want to do is come across to Roblox and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto this gear icon to bring up this menu. And then what you want to do is come and click onto settings. In your settings, what you want to do is come across to the left hand side to this menu and click onto privacy and content restrictions. Then what you want to do is come up to the top and click onto content maturity. And to remove this error, what you need to do is basically set the bar here all the way to restricted. At this point, you might get a pop-up box asking to verify your age, as only adults ages 17 or older have access to restricted experiences. So if you've not already verified your age, make sure you do that. But once that's done, that's going to remove this error. Now, basically, the reason the error does come up is because, say, for example, you were trying to join an experience that has a mild content maturity rating, but in your settings, yours is set to minimal. Well, of course, you're not going to be able to jump into that experience because it's set on the mild experience, whereas yours might be on minimal. So that is the main reason for this error message. So to get rid of this, the best way to do it is to drag this all the way to restricted, which is going to allow access to all experiences. But of course, make sure you do have a adult account and that you have verified your age so you can change this setting. So I hope this helped you guys out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.